I'm supposed to be standing at the altar in exactly 20 minutes. Instead, I'm sitting in front of a cruiser because I thought a free upgrade to a red sports car was a cool idea. My husband Mark warned me this car was a cop magnet. Now my best friend is waiting at the altar. Here's how a free rental upgrade almost cost me, my best friend, and my sanity. Let's rewind.
Lisa, tell me you are in the air right now.
Shh, Emma, no. Not yet. I'm leaving for the airport in like half an hour.
How come my absolute best friend is not near me on the most important day of my life?
Oof, I'm so sorry for being late. I finally was able to find the right red-eye flight.
Red-eye?
It just means a flight that flies all night long, so you arrive in the morning with red, tired eyes.
Well, hurry up. I need you here.
I know. Let's see. Still in my kitchen, avoiding Lego traps on the floor. I hate having to step out of the house while the kids and Mark are still sleeping on this beautiful weekend morning. Let me call the cab and get ready quickly. Otherwise, I will miss the flight.
See you soon. Love ya.
Okay, grab the bag. Don't wake the toddler. Let's do this.
Good morning. Can I get your basic information, like your passport or ID? And where are you heading to, please?
Oh, yup. New York. Here you go. And I need to check this suitcase.
Perfect. Let's measure the weight in the weighing machine right here. Looks great.
Yes, not having a pack of diapers in there really saves on the pounds.
Here is your boarding pass and your check-in bag receipt.
Gate D4?
Exactly. Just check the fine print right there at the bottom.
Fine print?
Oh, that just means the very small text at the bottom of the page that gives you the extra details.
Got it. Thank you so much.
Your boarding is at Gate D4, Terminal 10, as printed on the boarding pass. Have a great trip.
The clouds are cotton candy! Cotton candy!
A toddler in the middle seat. My worst nightmare.
Are we in New York yet?
Yes, we are. We are landing right now.
Ladies and gentlemen, please fasten seatbelts and return seats to an upright position.
Upright position?
It just means you have to push your seat straight up instead of leaning back.
Please stow tray tables and secure carry-on items.
Okay, upright!
And hey kids, if you want to know what the word stow means, stick around till the end for the vocabulary recap.
Yay! I like words!
Okay, the announcement said baggage carousel 5. Carousel 5. Wait, is that espresso? I need a coffee right now. Otherwise, my sleepy brain without proper rest cannot think straight in this big city.
Good morning. What can I get you today?
Hi, latte with 2% milk, please. As fast as humanly possible.
You got it. Tap your credit card right here.
Thank you. You are a lifesaver. Okay, baggage claim. I am awake now. Oh no! Look at all those people! Did I miss the bag? I just stopped for 2 minutes on the way for coffee. In the meanwhile, did they finish dropping all the bags? Do I have to go talk to someone at the baggage claim counter?
Listen up, everyone!
Whoa!
Fill out these forms with your address immediately!
Excuse me? What is going on?
Due to unforeseen delays, your luggage will be transported to you by this evening.
Unforeseen?
It means something unexpected happened that we didn't plan for.
Oh, you have got to be kidding me. I have a wedding today.
Address forms, now. We've had a delay, but we'll get your bags to your door by tonight if you fill them out.
Fine. Let's just go get the rental car.
Next in line, please.
Hi, I have a reservation under Lisa, and here is my ID.
Good morning. New York is happy to see you. Now, do you need our full coverage for the crazy drivers out here?
Since I used my best card for primary coverage, I'll decline the CDW.
CDW?
Collision damage waiver. I don't have to pay extra if the car gets a little scratch.
Ah, very smart. Okay, you are all set.
By the way, are there any complimentary upgrades available today? Thanks.
Let's see. Wow, because of your credit card points, you get a free upgrade to a premium sports car.
Yes, where can I find the car?
Take the elevator down to the basement and walk to the huge rental car parking area.
Whoa, Mama likes. Call Mark.
Hello? Lisa, did you land safely?
Safe and sound, honey. How are the kids holding up?
They are doing great. Totally fine. Are you driving to the hotel in New York?
Yes, it is about a half-hour driving distance from the airport. And guess what? I got an expensive red sports car as a free upgrade.
A red sports car? Lisa, be careful. Red cars are absolute cop magnets, especially the sports cars.
Oh, relax, Mark. I'm a perfectly safe driver. Oh, no.
Lisa, what's that sound? Are you getting pulled over?
I gotta drop the call. Love you. Bye. Just act natural, Lisa.
Driver's license and insurance.
Here is my driver's license, officer. The car is a rental one, so can I just have 2 minutes to search for the insurance?
I will give you some extra time to find the insurance. Meanwhile, I will go check your license in our system.
Come on. Come on. Found it!
Do you know how fast you were going back there? I clocked you at 15 over.
I'm so sorry. I didn't mean to.
Is there an emergency, or are you just in a hurry?
Honestly, officer, I was awake all night. I just flew in for my best friend's marriage, my luggage was lost, and my husband warned me this car was a cop magnet.
I appreciate the honesty. Look, I'm going to let you off with a warning this time, just because you went through a lot without proper rest from last night. I don't want to spoil the big day for you. Slow it down and keep an eye on your speedometer. Have a safe day. Oh, and viewers, if you want to know what speedometer means, stick around till the end for the vocabulary recap.
Thank you. Thank you so much for being so generous. And so, he just let me go, but I still have no clothes.
Oh my gosh, you poor thing.
Oh, Lisa, please do not worry at all. We are all here for you.
Exactly! You can easily wear any of our beautiful dresses for the night if your suitcase does not arrive on time.
You guys are the absolute best.
With these rings, you seal your promise. I now pronounce you husband and wife.
Today's vocabulary recap. Fine print, small words with extra rules. Stow, to pack things away safely. Carousel, the moving bag pickup belt. Unforeseen, a big, unexpected surprise. Complimentary, something that is totally free. Cop magnet, flashy things that catch police. Speedometer, tool that shows car speed. Goodbye, everyone. See you